Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make traditional sauerkraut. First, select a fresh, firm head of cabbage, preferably organic. You'll also need non-iodized salt, about 2 tablespoons for every 5 pounds of cabbage. Make sure you have a large cutting board, a sharp knife, and a clean fermentation vessel ready. These basic items are essential for starting your homemade sauerkraut journey. Now, let's prepare the cabbage. Start by removing the outer leaves and coring the cabbage, then shred it finely into thin, uniform strips. Place all the shredded cabbage into a large, clean bowl. Sprinkle the measured non-iodized salt evenly over the cabbage. Begin to massage the cabbage vigorously with your hands for about 10 to 15 minutes until a significant amount of brine starts to form. Once the brine has formed, it's time to pack your sauerkraut. Transfer the salted cabbage into your clean fermentation vessel, pressing it down very firmly. It's crucial that the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own brine to prevent mold. Use a weight if necessary. Allow it to ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for at least 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, your traditional sauerkraut should be ready. Transfer the finished sauerkraut into smaller, airtight jars. Store these jars in the refrigerator, where your delicious homemade sauerkraut will keep well for several months. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a probiotic-rich food. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.